Hello guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get an updated notification. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock variant. The variant that we will be unboxing is a model number DW-6900SK-1DR, and the module is 3230. It's another skeleton series of the G-Shock with a different model number. So when we unbox, we got an international Casio-GShock warranty card. Metal case for the G-Shock in black color. On unboxing the metal case, we got a user guide for module number 3230 and 3232. The user guide again comes in multi languages. So here you can see a very unique DW-6900 series of a G-Shock in semi-transparent material or color. A very unique, very beautiful design, a combination of semi-transparent and metallic color to give the look of 80s watches. A very unique combination. As you can see, the material is again resin material, very hard, very tough. The band is semi-transparent gray color, whereas the bezel you can see semi-transparent crystal white color. However, from the dial inside you can see it's silver with white display. So on pressing this G-Shock button, you can let the light, the backlight in light green color or a teal color. So a very nice, very unique series of G-Shock and skeleton, which they named as a skeleton series in semi-transparent material. Very nice, very tough because of the resin material. The bezel again is very nice with silver buttons, so that you can select different modes, adjust different times. You can select multiple. You can select the time from the multiple cities, plus a stopwatch, alarm. These are a few of the key features of a G-Shock. Again, 200-meter water resist. So a very beautiful, very unique G-Shock collection for the G-Shock lovers. If you wanted to see the other DW-6900 model, you can watch my channel. You will find another DW-6900 in gold bezel metal with black band and resin material. So this is also a very unique, very good model, limited edition watch, limited models on the G-Shock DW-6900 anniversary. So here a very beautiful, again a very unique model from the G-Shock. The model is old, but the way they have brought in the skeleton series, it's very unique. So hope you like this video. So until next time with another variant of a G-Shock, take care, bye bye.